like I said on stage, if I have a disagreement with Bounty Killer, it would not get to the level of the whole world, you know what I mean? Seeing me and back and forth and never. Because Bounty Killer helps so much of us in different ways.
Some of them are bandwagonists. Yes, some of you Kartel fans I'm talking, who are bandwagonists, who don't really love the man. I just the hype who don't love.
Giant, fully active. And the man got here, man. Here need Rolex in the day. They say, hey. Around.
You need to live your life with God. Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel. I see the spirit of witch and wizard upon you.
Afrobeat not have no substance.
You do not support people when they give you positive music to listen to. They are going to go to the music that you guys support, whether it's good or bad, or support it. Because the moment you click on something, it counts. Okay?
Black again, viewers and subscribers. Hope everybody having a lovely morning, a lovely afternoon, a lovely evening, and a great night, my viewers and subscribers. Hope all of my subscribers, them doing good. So before we get into the vlog, make sure you say stop where you're right now and click the like button and click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification bell. So my viewers and subscribers will have busy signal a run up on Mavado and a defend Bounty Killer. And the man I say Mavado should apologize to Bounty Killer, because my viewers and subscribers, they don't know say Mavado and Bounty Killer and a friend for a while. So busy signal I try quash that beef there and make the man them turn back friends, so now have to stay tuned for that. I will also have a pastor run up on the Gaza fan them, and I say enough of the people them I say them are Gaza, them and I really Gaza, because them not really give Vybz Kartel no good message for him come out. So now have to stay tuned and hear what the pastor have to say. I will also have Foota hype come and big up Buju Banton and a different Afrobeat. Not really different Afrobeat, I should say, my viewers and subscribers. The man a bash Afrobeat and I say Afrobeat now have no substance. So now have to stay tuned for that, my viewers and subscribers. I will also have a woman I run out and I say she have a message. She's a reader woman. Boy, me tell her say everybody have a message for Vybz Kartel. So she said she gets some message from God, my viewers and subscribers. Say Vybz Kartel must give him life to God and a bag of things. I will also have Shani and Muir. I run out and I say yo, she don't want a body for tell her what kind of song she for sing. So my viewers and subscribers, we are getting to the vlog right now. So make sure I say on the stage when I watch the vlog till it end, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure I say click the notification bell. So my viewers, we are getting to it right now.
I've been scrolling the internet from Vybz Kartel came out, and you know there are some people who encourage the man, and there are some people who give word of encouragement and word of warning, and I believe that those people love Vybz Kartel the same way some of the fools them will behave like them love him. I want to come on the internet and cuss out other people because other people are giving word of encouragement, and their word of encouragement is different from your own. Because your word of encouragement that you're giving him is just that you want to see him go back on the stage for you to figure hype up, which is an indication that somebody don't really love the man. I just know self who want to enjoy. But the rest of us, like myself, we love him as a human being, and we love him as a servant who God created, and we want the best for him. Some of them are just selfish and not cuss off people. Some of them are good. I want to tell some of them, because some of them are bandwagonists. The only time when you love people and when you don't see them do good, you are bandwagonists. You see me and some people when me know, we don't love people because them are do good. We love people whether them are do good or not. Some of them are bandwagonists. Yes, some of you Kartel fans I'm talking, who are bandwagonists, who don't really love the man. I just the hype who don't love. Well, guess what? You see, we the church people, we love him soul. And we love the fact that he was created in God's image and God wants him to serve him. So we not going to come tell him to go drink liquor and do things we're wrong. We have to advise him and encourage him to do the right thing, because we know the influence we have. Some of them, they go away. I mean, some of them run come chuck for me, come chuck. Me mean what me say. As a minister of the gospel, we mean what we say. You understand? Some of them are bandwagonists. Jamaican bandwagonist. You don't love Usain Bolt because he do good. You don't love Asafa Paul because he look good. But you see the little people them, we are strive and try to make it. You don't love them. You don't go and hype somehow you love, you know. Hype somehow you love. Well, for me, Kartel vibes no mean nothing to me. Kartel hype no mean nothing to me. You know what means something to me? Him as a person. His soul. That's more important than anything else. Someone ever sent him a word of encouragement when he did it in a prison. Enough away from the church do that. Me no church pastor go in there go pray for him. He probably not go say that. But me no church pastor we go in there go pray for him. I'm going to go encourage him. A lot of entertainers never go in there go look for him. You understand? Because some of them didn't even want him to sing. You understand? So someone of you go because someone are just hype or not hype. You understand? So we are going to encourage Kartel again and myself. I go back to prison. Stay out of trouble. Do your craft. Encourage ghetto youth to do better with them life. I see some of them bandwagonists here. You think so them love you? They don't love you. And your craft alone them love. Some of them wouldn't mind you dead in a prison. We don't want that. We want you to serve God. Yeah, man.
Yes, some viewers and subscribers, I want to know if you don't agree with the pastor man, because the pastor man is enough for the people, they must say Gaza, them are not real Gaza, because they not really give Vybz Kartel no good message on the internet. All them just want to see stage show and see Vybz Kartel start the back song so them can feel good and jump around and them something there. So leave in the thoughts and opinion in the comment section below if you think you're the real thing in my talk or you think you're foolishness in my talk. I want to know in the comment section below. We are getting to the rest of updates.
Good morning, TikTok. Good morning. Vybz Kartel, I come with a message for you. I come with a serious message for you this morning, Vybz Kartel. Rabush. Vybz Kartel, there is a spirit upon you. Vybz Kartel, I know that you're happy that you're a free man. But also think in the box because you're an educated man as well. I'm seeing a spirit upon your Kartel, a spirit that is come to draw you down. A spirit that's set to draw shady. Hey Basara. A spirit that come to draw you down, Vybz Kartel. Hey Basara. Hey Bushiri. Rebush. And Vybz Kartel, if you don't give your life to God, I love how you state that you're a married man or you're about to get married. You need to give your life to God, Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel, I see the spirit of witch and wizard upon you. I see maroon spirit upon you. I see Jezebelite spirit, every spirit in place upon you. And they're about to take you down. Vybz Kartel, you know, you say you're a dancer, Godfather, or whatever you want to put it. But remember that nobody not bigger than God. And I would advise you to try and change yourself now before it is too late. Give your life to God, because I see you going down. They are working extensively against you in the spiritual realms. Altar are set up for you. Give your rebuch, Basara. Vybz Kartel, give your life to God. You have talent. Put the talent in gospel. Put the talent in something. Don't waste it. But if you don't change it, it is wasted. God bless you as I leave this message. Said the Lord.
Yes, some viewers and subscribers, I want to know one thing, because from what they are, be a prophet and read a woman and read a man and all type of reader people just a roll out and attack. So them have message for Vybz Kartel and I say Vybz Kartel and this and Vybz Kartel and that, and God give them message and this and that. I want to know one thing about a reader woman here. I want to know if you don't believe her or you think you're just rubbish shit talk. I tell you say I be a people just a look clout of Vybz Kartel. Leave in the thoughts and opinion in the comment section below. I know one thing. We'll get into the rest of the review.
I don't like it, you know. I keep nothing from my mind. Because my mind is a very powerful part of my assets. Listen to me now. I don't want nobody, and when I say nobody, I mean nobody complain about no farmer, nothing when it comes to music and the versatility and various types of music there is. I don't want to talk about woman sing about pum pum. I don't want to talk about woman sing about under them. I don't want to talk about woman sing about this or woman sing about that, because guess what, man? You don't appreciate when the people give writing music. So because the people realize that they will not be able to make money off of this music, because at the end of the day there is still a business part to the music. Why, you understand, as much as how people love the passion and the joy that music brings, there is a business to it. And if you do not support people when they give you positive music to listen to, they are going to go to the music that you guys support, whether it's good or bad, you support it. Because the moment you click on something, it counts. Okay? So you see, when you look by yourself, I don't want none of you. I don't want none of you bash no. Listen to me, man. Because I only see one always talk about, why am I tell her this, I'm tell her that, and why you can't come with something now, and come with something. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. Shut the F up. Go on the bed. Go bed and go sleep. Shut up, man. Every day when I come. One of this, one of that. I'm going to tell her, it is Lord Jesus. Repeat to them. With this, with that. Lord, my kids can't even listen to this music, and this and wanna shut the hell up. I don't want to hear it. Shut up. Because when you don't support good things, you don't support it. And from people, sister, they trust me, they make music based on what you guys support. Trust and believe that. Then people make music based on what they see and what you support. So you see, before you come and complain about this and that and about people that sing about this and people that sing about that, just shut the hell up, man.
Yes, some viewers and subscribers say Shanine Mira come out and say, oh, she don't want nobody tell her what type of music she can sing, because she say a lot of times she do good music and it don't sell off. A lot of people say they want to hear good music, and when time she do the good music, the music now gone away, nobody now click on it, nobody now watch it and it now sell. So she say more time she have to make the slap music, because more time the slap music I sell and the music is a business, and she have to pay her bills. And even in a YouTube, me say that enough time people commenting in my comment section and say I be a bad man talk about and I be a bad day in my thumbnail, but when time I make the good thing them and the good thumbnail them, the good something them, nobody now click on it and watch it. So my viewers and subscribers, more time we just have to go no one, yeah. I just say the things that my viewers and subscribers, but want to know what I think about Shanine Muir. Leaving a task and opinion in the comment section below. We are getting to the rest of the review.
Because all the boy pay chat then chat me since all of this, you know. I hear some name front. And family them tell me that in a seminar.
How was it?
Eh?
How was it?
Me nearly do it, but me never do it.
So, what make you not do it?
Because that can't cook.
Oh, you do and put some seasoning and stuff on it and cook it?
That can't cook. Me don't eat blinger.
Okay.
If me name too.
But cut for them if you have your good husband and man.
That have to own blinger.
That have to we, yes. But listen what I say. Lord Jesus Christ of Nazareth, Mary. So you say?
So when I see sister them laugh now.
They can't laugh. So what I know, the sister them really need to go in now, because when you and your people must name, they say you almost name. What do you mean? Explain that, please.
I wonder if I do it, but I not do it.
So what make you don't do it? You that hear some things. You start hear things and say,
no, I'm stab out the meat. Me have a good day. And them tell me that, you know.
Yes, some viewers and subscribers, more often know one thing about Shanil Muir ex-boyfriend because him just say yo him nearly named the front when time him and Shanil Muir did there because you know so the two of them not in a relationship and a bag of mix up come out to them the other day upon the internet and everything just split up my viewers and subscribers. But more often know one thing about Shanil Muir and her ex-man because the man say yo him almost named the kitty. You see, leave in the thoughts and opinion in the comment section below. We are getting to the rest of updates.
You're saying too much. So be careful. Remember, you are Jamaica government. And when I say government, I don't mean GLP government only, or PNP government only. Any government in power. Remember, you are Jamaica government biggest enemy. And who the tapa like Jim Brown? Huh? Remember in Jamaica, all this government operates, all the Jamaica government operates, it doesn't matter which party in power. But remember how they operate. Me remember clearly. They might get still one night about 7:30. And the police come and say to me, say, when 5 minutes to 8, they want me to watch CVM TV. And I must come make him know when GP are burned down. So what you say? We must come back and make him know when GP they on fire. Me with my enough fast self, I wonder if the police are losing mind. We jump on my bike and we go circle GP. And it was a very quiet night at GP, round the GP area, General Penitentiary. And we circle around the jail. And we don't see nothing happen around here. All we see around the circle 2 times was a black Benz. We go back to my yard and we go watch my TV. I take me like 4 minutes to ride to a GP. And we go sit and watch CVM TV. And about 5 after 8, we hear breaking news. GP is on fire. General Penitentiary is on fire. And Jamaica, we go back and listen to the police say, yeah, prophet. We never think too deep tonight. We say, you know, the GP is on fire. And he must say nothing. He just go in and car and drive off. You see which part GP there to go to Kingston Public Hospital. You can just make a left and go up South Camp Road and turn North Street and go straight to Public Hospital. Why would the vehicle with the person that's them said was Jim Brown in the vehicle? Them a go through Orange Street, different streets. And when they reach a particular street, the street, 2 jump on an aisle the street from left, right to center. And the vehicle turn over with Jim Brown by the email. Yeah, Jamaica. Who the tapa like Bulby? Unless we happen to Bulby. And the list goes on. So when you become a threat to the government know how to silence you. So Vybz Kartel, remember this. Don't make it ever miss you one day in your life, in your brain. You are Jamaica government, regardless of which party in power. You are the biggest enemy. So you say too much my youth. You know you're happy to be free. And we say you try fit back in a society real fast, but then also the process go. Take it easy. We spend 2 weeks in a one detention center. And by me come out the road, it was a little weird for me to adjust back into society. 2 weeks. They may understand you there. 12 years, 10 months. So my youth, whatever action you plan legally to take against the government, you must make the public just hear about it in the media. You do too much now, my youth. Chill down. Relax up yourself. Cause one thing, this government, when them feel like you is a threat to them, them get rid of you. I mean, I ask you, tell me, I tell you.
Yes, some viewers and subscribers. So a lot of people are run out and I say Vybz Kartel for come off of the internet and him for put on the camera, phone and this and that, and I tell Vybz Kartel, oh, him feel live him life. You see my viewers and subscribers. Well, Vybz Kartel now listen to none of uno. Vybz Kartel I live him life and him now put on the camera, phone every day. Him go make a new video and put out on the internet because Vybz Kartel love the internet. In personality different. Me I tell you, say Vybz Kartel love turn on the camera and talk. So might as well not for just stop that because Vybz Kartel now listen. But we want to know in the comment section below what you think. If you think Vybz Kartel for put on the camera phone and come off of the internet, leave in the thoughts and opinion in the comment section below where I get into the rest of the review.
A secret that you and Mavado are having problems. What's the latest on that?
It's not, I wouldn't even say problems, I would say I say real talk and it's just there for everybody to see. So I mean he's probably a little mad or a little upset at the fact that the truth hurts. So that's that. Remember, that's a simple little stuff. But at the end of the day the facts is there. And the real talk and the realness is there. You know what I mean? Like I said on stage, if I have a disagreement with Burna together, it would not get to the level of the whole world. You know what I mean? Seeing me and back and forth and never. Because Burna together helps so much of us in different ways. So even if you have some simple little stuff that could be talked over, you know what I mean? I don't have to get all vulgar and all out of place and out of proportion and in the wrong context.
Do you think you guys will sort it out at some point, or you think?
Maybe, yeah. It's possible, it's very possible. You know what I mean? We are human beings, and I mean, not even me because I don't have a problem with it, but you know, like in terms of him and Burna together, it's very possible. You know what I mean? I see the band comes to Burna together and being at it back and forth, and them sort it out every now and again. Them sort it out, so it's happened before, so.
Yes, some viewers and subscribers, so that was BC Signal, and BC Signal that tell Mavado same should apologize to Burna because Burna and Mavado is not friends for a while now. My viewers and subscribers, a couple of years well now the two artists them a deal. So BC Signal I try to get back the artists them together for be friends and unite again. So the man I say Mavado should apologize to Burna. So I want to know what one think, my viewers and subscribers. If you don't want to see Mavado and Burna turn back friend, let me know in the comment section below where I get into the rest of the review.
Make a big up Buju Banton, see? Big up Gargamel. My followers them bombard my phone and them I say, yo, listen Buju Pan drinks champs, listen Buju Pan drinks champs, and big up my G motive boss, you know it go. See? Everybody I say, go listen Buju Pan drinks champs. I know me not go yet. But them tag me in enough way Buju I said. Buju say a particular thing when me know say Buju them I listen to me live. And it also show me say I am a visionary and me I see farther than the regular nay people them where not understand what I want. When I not overstanding vision. Now, me hear Buju a blast after a beat. And Buju just basically repeat everything what me say long before Buju. Me and Buju basically I say the same thing, but me I say it long before Buju. Afrobeat not have no substance. Yeah, this is how this is how I behave now. No. Afrobeat are just happy-go-lucky music. Me always say this. Look how much atrocities are happening in Africa. How much war, how much genocide, how much gentrification, how much race are get wiped out, how much thing. Big up China Chica. See? And none of the music them were hit. When I talk about music we do and not gone away. None of the Afrobeat music them nah sing about African struggle and upliftment or nothing. And we Jamaican do it. A Jamaican fight for Africa every day. But when me talk, me chat too much. Buju said the same thing when me say Buju is great. Buju is the icon. Buju is a blessing from God. But when Foota said the same exact thing long before everybody else, Foota chat too much, and Foota bad mind, and Foota a idiot. Oh no, nah, stop that something there. Oh no, see say my mind and my vision they're on a different level. Talk the truth. Tell me. Big up Gandhi. Portmore bad artist. But on another note now, me I go show you something, right? When you realize, because me been telling you over the years, say don't watch rock and roll, don't watch pop, don't watch techno, don't watch Afrobeat, don't watch hip hop. Jamaica have the biggest music worldwide. I will never believe me. I will never believe me. You see, because when you make the news and when them promote trick on them, see them like how them are telling you say, in America, you have more white people than black people. And me I tell you say, I lie them I tell. But them are play out in the mental and the numbers with them advertising at the media. It's impossible for white people be more than black people in America. Because once you're not white, you're black. So if you are Spanish, you're black. If you are Indian, you're black. If you are Chinese, you're black. Any way you want to put it, you're black. See? So you have to understand, overstand, I'm sorry. You have to overstand what them are doing. Now, I used to tell them, say, they don't give reggae and dancehall artists certain venues. Remember me telling you that? So when them give Afrobeat artists the venue them, and hip hop artists the venue them, and rock and roll artists the venue them, and we not in a venue them, it make we look small. So them a create a small look for Jamaican culture and I put we in a nutshell. You understand what I say? I must comment again. Buju Banton. Buju Banton come show them up. Wicked. See? Remember, them deal with wicked via media, make it look like a Burna boy and Davido them alone can pull certain crowd as themselves. Remember the people, me still vex. So Buju na book me finna and show them, and me still vex. So the tour I do, I'm in a book finna and show them. Me can't be a hypocrite, me have to talk my mind, me vex. Me the thing say, me and Buju more realer than that. See? And I can't blame Jabba, and I can't blame Butterfucker. Because if them put forward something, and Buju say, yo, I want to put up on some of the show them, but they're there on the show them. Big up Richie Feelings, me love say, Buju incorporating on the show them is a good look. But me, Bex, or me not there on the show them, because me and Buju different.
Yes, and viewers and subscribers, thanks for watching the video till it end. Thanks for like the video. If you don't like the video, make sure you say like the video right now. So click the like button right now, and make sure you say click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification bell. So my viewers and subscribers, thanks for the support, enough manners and respect. I'm out.